Good morning. Hold on, let's see. Boom. All right, tweeted. And then, hold on, give me 1 second. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. Let's see, go live. Bingo. Cool. Okay, so before we start, first off, I need to clean my glasses because they are super dirty and your boy is pretty much blind without them. So let me do this real quick. But again, good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning so far. Hopefully you guys were able to make money yesterday. I let the bias get the best of me yesterday, and I definitely missed out on some downside moves, but it is okay. We live and we learn. It's a new day of trading. I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling like we're going to hit some bangers. So if you guys could, real quick, make sure to click that like button. Start off with some good vibes. And yeah, let me clean these glasses real quick so I can actually see. But yeah, good morning, everybody. There's no difference between the Christmas version. I'm going to delete the Christmas version. I just don't know how to. It's the same thing, just a special edition. But yeah, I got to get rid of it, because it's no longer Christmas. Hold on. I don't know why they make glasses cleaner. Like, there's so much liquid on it. Good morning. Like, my glasses are soaked. Bangers. Bangers only today. Hold on, we're almost there. I know you guys probably don't care, but the glasses that I got, they're like non-scratch proof, or like they don't scratch, which makes it a million times harder to clean them, because they just smear everywhere. Hold on, everybody. My apologies. But yeah, let me know how you guys did yesterday trading. Let me know in the chat. Multitasking is not going too good. Hey, the book's coming in today. Nice, nice. I hope you enjoy it. For real. Bro, why are these not cleaning? No, it's the glasses. Hold on. You know what? This is good enough. Yeah. There's a big smear going down the middle. It's okay. I can see. Anyways. Alrighty. Let's see. Made 50 bucks thanks to the book. Paid for the book in one trade. Look at that. Amazing. Alrighty. Now we can start looking for some setups today. So let's start by doing some analysis on ES. Boom. And then let's go to orange. ES. Boom. Alrighty. So let's delete all that. Cool. Okay. Start looking for some pivot high, pivot lows. Did ES really go this high? 112.13? I guess so. So what is that? 41.80. Pivot high, pivot low. We already hit that 50%, so there's no bounce there. No bounce there. So all these bounces actually are not even valid all over here. Let's see. We hit this reject right here, that 61.8. We can never hold above it. Let's try this high to low. So we're trading at the 50% retracement right now at 39.1187. So if you start breaking below there, 3882.76 is a good level that we can watch for a potential bounce. Honestly, that looks like the only good bounce that I have. And then I don't know. For people, oh yeah. What is today's Thursday? What do we have today? I think it's just job reports is what we have. Let's see. And again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Jobless claims, building permits, housing starts, and the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, all at 8:30. So we want to pay attention to that. Then we have Fed speakers at 9, 1:15, and 6:35. So, yeah, we got to pay attention to the jobless claims. We are at that 50% fib. Honestly, would be very, very interested for a bounce at 38.82 if we did sell off down to that level. And then from my understanding of supply and demand, this actually would not count. If you do know about supply and demand, correct me if I'm wrong, but the fact that we were in this area for so long, it should not be a valid area of demand. Again, let me know if I'm completely wrong. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess we could count this here. Boom. Again, trying to get better at supply and demand. Don't quote me on these things. I'm trying. Apparently ES is in a weekly squeeze. I didn't even see that. Huh. Interesting. 3 weeks in a row. Cool. Looks good to me. Alrighty, so that should be a demand zone. Again, if you're familiar with supply and demand, let me know. I could be completely wrong. Then we also have really strong support right here as well. See if there's a different fib that lines up in there. That 61.8 is at the bottom of the demand. Let's see if there's anything in the middle. Okay, so this fib is lining up perfectly with that support. I'm gonna watch that whole area. Keep the 50. Cool. I want to start doing some analysis on ES because to find supply and demand, it looks a lot easier on ES. And there's a 3-day squeeze. Hold up. Oh yeah, baby. Cool. Alrighty, so ES, I really like this whole zone right here at like 3,900, 38.98.83 all the way to 39.01.61. Again, actually, let me text GD. I'll ask GD. He'll give me a good answer. I think he's also hopping in here today. Yes, it should automatically renew. Yes, yes. And we got our news in 2 minutes. So we're just going to wait for that. Get GD to supply that demand and get out of here. Alrighty. So, I mean, we pretty much traded right down into it in the pre-market. So let's see. Again, from what I know is you would add as it comes into the zone, and then you add the next piece when it comes out, and then your stop loss is under this candle. Again, I'm still learning supply and demand, so hopefully you guys are learning a little bit as I'm learning too. But those are my levels on ES. Let's take a look at SPY. SPY. Getting closed out in that other zone that I had. Let's see if there's fibs that line up in that level. Yep, so that 50% right there. 61.8 is a little further down. Let's see. Sitting at that 50% right now, 388.32. Then we have the 61.8 at the bottom of the zone. We'll just keep the 50 for now, unless we break below it. So we'll keep that. This chart's going to get a little messy, so bear with me. Again, I'm not taking bounces at all of these levels either. Got to watch the price action when we get down there. I do. I still use the white charts. But yeah, it looks like we have a pretty big zone right there. We'll see. I'll watch the price action. But this is very messy. Let's see. Yeah, we'll see how the job. Actually, it is 8:30. Let's see. Let's go back to ES. Let me get the numbers for you guys. Reader. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Remember, 200 likes so you guys get the watch list today, and we got 365 people in here. 111 likes. Make sure you guys keep running it up. Continuing jobless claims 1.4 or 1.647 mil. Forecast was 1.655. Previous 1.63. So we came in under the forecast, above the previous. Continuing jobless claims 190,000, forecast 213.5 thousand, previous was 205,000, so that came in under. And then the Philly Fed Business Index was negative 8.9, forecast negative 11, previous was negative 13.8. And then US building permits change month over month, negative 1.6%, forecast was 1%, and then previous was negative 10%. Cool. All right, let's give the market a couple minutes to digest this. And let's see. Thought the debt ceiling already came out, didn't it? Thought that was like yesterday. Yeah, I really want to watch that 3,900 zone on ES. Just hopefully we don't go down there in the pre-market. But yeah, I do really like that level. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Cool. So it looks like they're supporting it. Let's see if they can hold it outside. All right, let's drop this in the chat in Team Bull. Cool. ES need GD's approval, but it looks like price is in demand, and I have a few fibs plus support around what was that, 38, 98.83 to 3901.61. I will be looking for a bounce here. If price breaks below, we can go lower. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And then, I mean, if there was to be a reject, let's see. It depends where we set the low. We could look for a pullback into 39.30 for a possible reject. The main area that I would watch would be this high. Again, if this is the low right here and we can really rally up, then I would look for a reject way up here. But we'll look. This was another demand zone that we broke below. Cool. Looks good to me. I'll take it. But as of now, that's only reject that I really have in ES. Cool. Like 3,900. We'll look for rejects on SPY. Market pumps. I will look for calls and potentially a reject. All right, cool. There is ES. Now let's go to SPY. Came down top, or tapped the top of that zone. Again, I got bounces in the middle. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. We broke that 1 hour zone, so that's not valid. We'll delete that, clean up the chart a little bit. Thank you guys for the subscribes. I greatly appreciate it. I mean, I'd really like to see us dip down into this zone towards the fibs, but I don't know if we're going to get it. Could use here to here. 390 actually doesn't look bad for a potential reject. But if we grind higher than like 394 and 395, get rid of this 50% fib. Hold on, just super focused today. Okay. Yeah, I can send a text to the middlemans for you. So we got 565 people in here, which I think is the most we've ever had. So if you guys did not know, I do go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list. Plus I have over 950 videos on my channel teaching you on how to trade for completely free. So make sure you guys are subscribed. And while you're at it, make sure to click that like button. Remember, 200 likes and you guys get the watch list for free. 179 likes right now, 21 away. So make sure you guys continue to run that up. But let's see, SPY. Looking for a bounce in between 386.76 to 386.39 for calls. Let's see. Potential reject at 390. So I'm going to watch that 390 zone very closely. That was old support and resistance. Should turn into resistance. So like 390 to 390.75-ish. Or, hold on. Yeah, 390 to 390.75-ish. Gonna watch that level above there. We have more room, and then I mean, I would watch like 394 after that. After there, would see more upside. Other areas of rejects are 394. And 395.43. This chart literally looks like a disaster. It's just because we have so many pivot lows to the high right here. That's why it looks so messy. Boom. Cool. I don't know where that came from. Delete that. Beautiful. Cool. SPY. Don't worry, we're getting to the individual names in a minute. No, I'm looking for puts too. Watching both ways. So there is SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. Now, QQQ, this is about to be a lot more clean. Now, remember also yesterday we talked about QQQ being in this rising wedge, and it broke below. Hit the upper trend line to a T, broke below, and now it's starting to flush. Now, this one's going to be a lot easier. Pivot high, pivot low, done. So much easier. But we are chilling at a support zone right here. Come on. Pretty big zone. You can see there's resistance over here, resistance here, support here, support here. So watch for that break below pre-market lows. It could go a lot lower after that. I mean, yeah, my main bounce here would be 272.35 and then 269.44 if we continue to pull. Delete that. Beautiful. Again, if this were to be the bottom, I'd watch for a pop into like 280 for a reject. 280 or like 277.5. Cool. Bang. All right, let's get QQQ. QQQ breaking below the rising wedge discussed yesterday. Looking for a break below 274.75 for puts. Main bounce levels are 272.35 and 269.44. If we pump off the open, I will also look for spots to reject for puts. Boom, there's QQQ. Yeah, typically intervals of 5 are pretty big on SPY and QQQ. So those are just like default support and resistance points for me. Let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 30-minute. We do have a 5-minute orange out squeeze going into the open, so we're going to be watching that. And then let's get the watch list up. Just a bunch of 5-minute squeezes right now. Cool, let's take a look at Apple. Delete all that. Take the low point to the high point. Bounces on Apple 131.39 and 129.69. If you guys want to watch that, can look to short it below the pre-market lows. Personally, I don't really trade Apple, so that's up to you. AMD is pulling back pretty hard. 4-hour squeeze. Not interested in AMD. Amazon. Hold on. Let's take this low to this high. Again, Amazon wouldn't be interested in a bounce until we started getting down to those levels. So gonna ignore that. Take a look at Meta. Meta, same thing, not really interested. Honestly, it just looks like a SPY and QQQ kind of day. Nvidia getting clobbered. So Nvidia not really interested in. Actually, you could watch it below 168.8. That doesn't look too bad. Actually, yeah, we might watch this. We might. Let me just here Nvidia, so I remember to go back. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, make sure to click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:20 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you're not subscribed, you are missing out. plus 950 free videos on my channel. Bounce number 1. Bounce number 2. We're getting pretty close to bounce number 2, actually. Uh, 124 would be the level if I'm going to look for a bounce. But if we break below there, it's got more room down. Cool. Let's put Tesla on the list. 124, potential bounce, break below there, puts. Tesla. Looking for a potential bounce at 124. If price breaks below there. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that 124 to 123.33 level looks pretty good. Yeah. So 124, I'll look for puts. If we break below there, it's got more room down. Breaks below there. We'll be looking for puts. Possible reject. The reject really depends on where the pre-market low is going to be. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. 120, what was it? 124, be looking for puts. If 125.25 is pre-market lows, I will be looking for a reject at 131.38 or 132.82. Can also look to short under pre-market lows. Boom. There's Tesla. Let's get a cleaner chart. Where is it? There it is. Cool. Remember, Tesla was the one that showed relative weakness yesterday, so if the market's going to pull today, I really think Tesla's going with it. Who added me in the chat? Hold on. Oh, yeah, the squeeze already fired down. That's why we saw such a big move down yesterday. I really thought that it was going to fire up, but I was wrong. Fired down. But yeah. Tesla and then Nvidia. I mean, I get, if you guys want to watch it, you can below that 168.8. I just prefer spying QQQ. But it doesn't look bad. I wouldn't be interested in a bounce until we got way down here, or even like here in this area right there. But yeah, personally not too interested in Nvidia, so it's just SPY, QQQ, and Tesla today, and ES. Which, speaking of ES, this man GD text back? No, he did not. What a loser. Big friend. How many likes we got? Did we got 200 likes? Yeah, we got 239. So, real quick, before I drop the watch list in the chat, in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis. So, if you guys do want to check it out and you do want to learn more about my overall trading strategy, here, let me get it pulled up. The New Age of Technical Analysis. So, again, this is on Amazon. If you guys want to check it out, make sure to do so. Also, if you haven't, make sure to go leave a review for me. Little trolls wanted to leave lower ratings who didn't even buy the book. So, yeah, if you guys want to drop a little 5-star review, I greatly appreciate it. Q. But yeah. Let me drop the watch list here in a second. Boom. Cool. Alrighty. So, as I am dropping the watch list, remember, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, use your own due diligence, do your own proper, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Done. Yeah, make sure you guys run up the reviews. 5-star, I'd greatly appreciate it. And you want to know what's even crazier? Like really, really well-known trading books don't even have as many reviews as my book has. Like good reviews. So, y'all are amazing. I appreciate it. I put a lot of effort into that book to teach you guys everything I know. And book number 2 is on the way. I'm very excited for that one. Next mastermind, maybe in a couple months, I would say. Like a month and a half, 2 months, we'll see. Let's see, SPY's coming out of that zone. ES is coming out of that zone. What else do we have? QQQ. And then, oh my God, what chart did I put it on? Hold on. We gotta figure out what chart I did all the drawings on. Are you kidding me? There we go. The very last one that I chose. SPY, QQQ, SPX, Tesla right here, tick over here. Apple here, so we understand market sentiment. Cool. But yeah, that's a watch list for the day. So if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-15 minutes. Other than that, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. It would be greatly appreciated. I go live every single morning, 8:20 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, again, over 950 videos teaching you on how to trade for completely free on my channel. Look at all these videos. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you guys do so. Other than that, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. I wish everybody the best. And again,